Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select Delete Browsing History. Now choose the period of time from which you want to remove it. Let's do it one more time. So it is already set, and mark more options to mark everything that you want to get rid of. Obviously, if you want to leave your saved passwords, just unmark it, or whatever you want to have, just unmark it. And then once all is set, mark delete data. Tap on delete to confirm. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.